Hi, this is the whole package for the this is smart OTDR, and here is the gift box and the certificate, the user guide, the OTDR, a standby battery, adapters and its wheels, and the bag for the OTDR, and the transfer adapter. Although this wear checker is optional if you need it. This is the OTDR, this is the front side, and this is the screen, touch screen, and here are the light, indicator light. It shows the function you are using, and here are the function buttons. On the back of the OTDR, you can see this is a place for the battery. And here is the warning label. And on the hand of the OTDR, here are three adapters. The middle one is for the OTDR and the event map testing. And this port is for the optical power meter, and this port is for the VFL testing. On the left side of the OTDR, you can see here is the port for the charging. On the right side of the OTDR, here is a port for the RJ45 connectors. On the bottom of the OTDR, here is a small part which can move out. This one is for the testing of the RJ45 wires. Okay. Here are 7 testing functions and the setting here. And the first one is OTDR and VFL and the optical power meter, laser, event map, the laser test, RJ45, and the system. So I will introduce the functions one by one later. And first is the OTDR function. And here are the network I have connected. This is 2 launch cable and connected. And let's start. Okay. I already put the SC adapter here and connected to the launch cable. And you can press the finger with the finger on OTDR or press the buttons like this, up, and left. And you can press OK or with the finger. Okay, and first here is the setting. Okay, this is the setting, and you can press OK or press here. Okay, the settings here are first the wavelength, test mode, test time, and other features. And if you want to change the wavelength, you can press here, or you can press the button up and press OK. And here are 2 options, just choose the one you want. Okay, press OK up or down. press OK. And also, next one is the test mode. We have press OK and open the menu. You can choose the one. Also, you should choose the test time. Here are the choose 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, and real time. This is the real time test button. Okay, like this, and all of them are setting. I finished the setting. You can choose the button back. Okay, you can choose the button back, and the next you want to just press the test button here to start the testing. Okay, right? It's testing now. You can see here are two test results, and if after the test is done, you can press the save and name it. You can name it like this. Okay, and choose OK. Save. Press save. Okay, it's saved. Here are the files. You can see we made the tests. Here are the test record, and okay, this is the function of OTDR. And next is VFL, and you take it off and connect it to the VFL adapter. Okay, and you press the VFL function, and you can choose this. Okay, you can choose this function and press the test, and you can see here. Okay, here is the, so it means the network is good. You can see here, right? The red point, right? So the network is good. Okay. Next, we can do the OPM function, and you should connect it to the OPM. Okay, here. Then you can choose the wavelength and reference and other function and choose test. It's testing. Next is the laser function. Okay. Event map. If you want to use the event map, connect it to the OTDR adapter. And first is the setting. You can choose the wavelength, test mode, test time, and others. And you choose when all is fixed, its setting, and press the button of the start. Wait for 15 milliseconds. It's testing. You can see yes, this part. This is the timeline. Okay, you can see. First one is 2,002 kilometer launch cable, and the next one is the 1 kilometer launch cable. So they are all good. The result is good, and you can save the test. And if you want to log, choose the file. Choose the file. Okay. Next is the test loss test and the RJ45 test. Okay, here is a RJ45 wire here, and connect. Take it out here. Another end of the connector. Okay. Okay, start. Okay, see the right point. So the patch code is R5. Yes, are good. They are good. Okay. Okay, here is the setting. Last function is the system. System is here, and here are some of the features that you can choose. First one is language. Here are 5 languages for one OTDR, and yes, and the next is the auto power off. You can choose what you want. And like screen, I don't want the touch screen function. Then you can choose on or off. So you can choose the date, time, and also other functions. Here is the light. We can open the light here. Okay, this is the light. Okay, if I turn it off, yes, turn off, turn on. Okay, this is all the functions here.